Yo guys, welcome back to a new video guys. Today we gon' get Max Blizzard. Today we gon' get Blizzard 250 matter. Your boy can host raids now. He got swan glasses. Yeah, I'm cool. Hey, look at my stats, bro. So 3 raids, bro. We got a server up to find this guy. That's crazy. And pro gives like more than 3 mastery per kill. I need that Blizzard domain so I can grind our bosses, bro. Isn't that cool? Imagine just be grinding off bosses and getting that bounty with Blizzard domain. Come on. Oh, of course it's this stupid person. I don't even know this person. Of course I'm gonna unfriend. I don't know this guy. Guys, don't join random people wanting from me. Trust me, you don't want that. Come on, bro. Bro, this game's gonna update in 5 days and I gave away my dragon. Guys, I'm a nice guy. I gave away my dragon and my control. They're just gonna enjoy life while I'm acting like a god here. Dang, bro. Luffy! I'm sending this guy a friend request. Send this guy a friend. 100%. Except my please. Hey, yo! Max bounty. Oh. Bro, your boy got a server up. 300 servers, bro. Smoke and Myro, how rare is it to find you in one single server? I know you guys miss deactive me, and I know this now these videos suck because blox videos you guys don't like them. After this, your boy's gonna get back to Bed Wars. Whatever you want, say it in the comments. I'll be okay with everything you guys say. Say anything you guys want in the comments, by the way. Just tell me if you want me to return to bedroom. Only the early one. No. Like that boy. We ain't quitting till we die. Excuse me, my guy. Bro, but this is so addictive. How dare you? Your boy's gonna upload 24/7 again for the next 4 days. Leave me. Let me alone. Where you at, boy? Whoa! Oh, heck no, bro. On glasses. What is this? What is this doing? There you go, Dad. Get Blizzard. Whoa! Bro, don't kill me. Bro, who that unawakened is? Oh, I mean. Hey, yo, bro, just... I have a target. What the? Enjoy my bounty, my friend. Now I shall kill him one more time. Come on, let's go. Your boy has no friends. Your boy isn't bad, bro. Please, YouTube, give me a verification tick next to my YouTube, bro. Or do I need 100 subscribers for that or something? Because I really want it. This is my main channel, by the way. No alt channels. You should totally give it. Trade, Quake. Bro, what's up with people saying trade every single time in second C? These people love to trade. Your boy's a W Blizzard user now. Now your boy's gonna make grinding with bosses so simple with Blizzard domain. I'm a Arabic. The one thing I never understand, my God. I know Arabic. I'm gonna just shut up if you guys hate me. By the way, your boy's gonna try edit this video. Cause sometimes I'm just too lazy to even edit. I just press the upload, but I'll make this fun for you guys. I hope this is a good video I'm gonna post, because I'm gonna post a trading Leo 4 dragons and 2 controls. This guy's rich. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get ready. After this, I'm gonna quit vlogging for the rest of my life. And the set was die. Oh, so toxic in bedroom, but then when you want no fair. There you go. Look at this dude. Hey, don't blind me. Howling wind, boys. Wind howling. No, a single master win. One. You gotta just get one more master and your boy's good. Your boy's gonna have all the skills. Bro, tell me what you did, bro. What you did? Get out of here, boy. You're gonna get tornado flighted. Now your boy's gonna go kill. Your boy just needs one more. Bro, let's do this. After I'm done editing and uploading this nice video, your boy's gonna make the Bed Wars video, boys. Your boy is coming back and going crazy on YouTube. We getting 100 uploads, bro. You're gonna enjoy, hopefully. Whoa! Bro, as soon as I join, are you kidding me? You are just asking for death right now. Bro, just targeting as soon as you... Nah, this guy ain't having it. Come back here, nope. Nope, get back here. Get here, get back. Never PvP first. Guys, we gon' kill this guy. He never PvP first. Yeah, guys, I might... How do you get... Wait, why are you crying here, broski? Yeah. Hey, bro. Yes, he's here. Boys, this is so good. Good, let's go. Then we're gonna check out the domain on this guy. Get out. Today you gonna be hit. You getting stuck in a blizzard, bro. Sure. Let's go. Still. Combo. Oh, we're gonna check some blizzard combos, by the way. Die. How dare. By the way, my light's almost 300 mastery because I've grinded for it in first league. Almost 600. Hey, bro, get back here. Don't try. Today you gonna die, bro. Today you gonna die, bro. I need to get back to bed with, bro. Let's go! We got Blizzard Domain, guys! Blizzard Domain! Guys, edit this